Well, students at Red Rock Elementary School started this school year on a new-to-them temporary campus. Let me explain what I mean. The more than 50-year-old Red Rock Elementary School closed at the end of the school year so that a brand new building could be built in its place. We were there on the last day of school when students and staff said goodbye to the old Red Rock Elementary School. It was a day full of mixed emotions. That's why we wanted to catch up with students and staff once again, this time at their temporary location on the Ruth 5 campus to see how they are doing and a look toward the future.
Well, you know, they say your home is where you are and your heart is. And Red Rock, although our building is gone, that love and that spirit is live, you know, it's here.
I've been Red Rock since pre-K. In fifth grade, I think I can count that as Red Rock because even though we're in like Ruth 5 right now, Red Rock is still being rebuilt, so we're still like part of the program.
My reaction about the school being tailed down, I thought it was really sad because I've been there almost like most of my life. I've been to Red Rock well, this is gonna be my third year. I feel comfortable with them tearing down Red Rock because it was an old school and it was time to tear it down and rebuild it.
At first, you know, they knocked down a couple buildings, you know, they broke up the pavement and all that. But then I went back the next week and it was completely demolished, and I don't know, it kind of makes your heart just stop a little, you know. But yeah, it's definitely an emotion. And then you just see the marquee standing there and you're like, oh, it's really gone. Like, okay, a new chapter, here we go.
I think the idea that after this year we're going to have a brand new building is making everything easier.
I just feel really excited to go to a brand new school even though it's kind of the same school. I feel excited because it's going to be a two-story and I've always wanted to go to two-story school.
But it's going to be exciting because there's going to be so many windows, lots of fresh light getting in for our students. There will be a lot more places for the kids to play, a lot more textures, a courtyard in the center that can be used for outside learning. So I'm just really excited about all the opportunities we'll be able to have for education at the new site. I hope that it makes our students feel proud to go there. I hope that it's a place that everyone is happy every day to go to.
And you can be sure we will also be there when the brand new Red Rock Elementary School opens for the start of the 2024-2025 school year. And students and staff return home back to their new school on its original site.